In this video, we will learn how to build an insect hotel. This is a small house made up of different compartments, which are open at the front and which can accommodate a wide range of insects. They are an essential part of biodiversity, an invaluable assistance for the eco-friendly gardener. Ladybirds, lacewings and earwigs are, for example, very good at getting rid of aphids, where other insects such as wild bees and butterflies contribute towards pollinating trees and plants. In order to attract insects to your garden and maintain the balance of the ecosystem, we suggest building an insect hotel, which will serve as a place for the insects to hibernate and for the larvae to develop. To make one like this example, we will need planks of untreated wood, screws or nails, dry pine cones, bamboo stems, twigs, straw, sticks roughly 3 centimetres wide, 1.2 inches, and 9 centimetres long, 3.5 inches, dead leaves, wire mesh, and bricks. We will also need a clamp, a tape measure, a pencil, a set square, a saw, and a drill or hammer. Here we will construct an insect hotel that is 53.5 centimetres tall, 40 centimetres wide, and 10 centimetres deep, containing 6 compartments. Measure, cut, and assemble the 12 planks of wood to the correct dimensions. Here you will need a board 40 by 10 centimetres for the bottom, 2 boards 36 by 10 centimetres for the interior horizontal partitions, and 2 others measuring 12 by 10 centimetres, the interior vertical partitions. 1 board, 15 by 10 centimetres, for the upper partition, and another measuring 15 by 15 centimetres for the butterfly compartment. 2 planks measuring 51.5 by 20 by 30 centimetres, 2 boards, 28 by 10 centimetres, for the sides, as well as 2 final pieces of wood measuring 29.5 by 15 centimetres and 32 by 15 centimetres, respectively, for the sides. Screw the sides to the base. If the wood you are using is dense, you can pre-drill the holes to avoid splitting. Next, assemble the back panel of the hotel. Now screw the first horizontal partition, then attach the 2 vertical partitions. Next, continue by assembling the second horizontal partition. Screw the 2 sections of the roof to the structure. Then put in the final upper partition. Finish by placing the small board, on which you will previously have drilled an oval hole of about 2 centimetres diameter, using a drill and jigsaw. We now have a small house with compartments which need to be filled. To make sure the pine cones and dead leaves don't fall out of their compartments, cover the front side with wire netting, with meshes of about 1 to 2 centimetres in diameter. Before placing the small logs inside the insect hotel, drill holes of around 5 millimetres in diameter through them, providing solitary bees with space to deposit their eggs. Finally, scatter the different materials throughout the compartments. Your insect hotel is now finished. All that's left for you to do is to set it up, and stands half a metre off the ground by resting on 2 large bricks, for instance, so that it doesn't take in any moisture.